How to see when you joined Facebook. Hi everyone, in this video I will show you the exact day that you first signed up for a Facebook account. So if you want to know the exact day you joined Facebook, ensure you watch this straightforward video to the end. Alright, let's get started. First step is to open the Facebook app and ensure you are logged in. Then tap on the three horizontal line at the top right corner or at the bottom right corner of your screen to access the menu. In the menu, tap on the gear icon which is at the front of the search bar to access settings. Under settings and privacy, scroll down till you find personal information. Scroll down till you find your information. Tap on access your information. Tap on continue. Then a new page will appear. In the page, tap on personal information with a picture of a person reading the book. Tap on it. Now here we are. Under your profile information, you will see when your Facebook account was created. As you can see on the screen, my account was created May 22nd, 2024. So this way, you will see the exact day you created your Facebook account. I hope you find this video helpful. Do well to like, share and subscribe for more useful videos.